Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is going to be a Meesho haul. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how much you can buy for under 2000. Like if you have a budget of 2000, what and all can you buy for under 2000? So I just wanted to do something a little bit different, and especially for people on budget. Like if you have any occasion coming up and your parents are like, here, keep this money, buy whatever you want. So I'm trying to show you guys how much you can buy in that kind of a budget. So I have a part 2 coming up as well, because I picked up products keeping in mind this sort of a video and some really affordable products as well. So if you guys are wondering what is Meesho and how do you use it, let me explain it to you guys. So Meesho is in selling and a shopping app. So you can sit at home and just sell on Meesho with zero investment from your side, and it's also a shopping app where you get to shop a wide variety of products for different price categories, different kinds of products as well. So if you wanted to start shopping on the Meesho app, all you have to do is click on the link in the description box below, with which if you download you get flat 30% off or ₹100 off, whichever is on the higher side on your first order. Once you're done installing the Meesho app, all you have to do is click on the Meesho app. You can see they have a lot of different options. So you can click on categories, and here you have your women ethnic wear, you have your where you get all your saris, kurtis, kurta sets, you have your women western wear where you have top wear, bottom wear, inner wear, and then if you want to shop for your kitchen, which is cutlery, storage, you have those as well. If you wanted to buy some makeup, they have beauty and health option where there are some brands like Swiss Beauty available. So in today's demo, I'm going to be showing you guys like kurta sets, because that is what I look out for the most and get most use out of. So when you click on kurta sets, you can see they have a new arrival section, best sellers. So I usually click on the best sellers, and you can see they have so many different variety of products. And if you did like something and you are a seller and you wanted to share it to your buyer, you can see this product right here has a +5 option, which means that this particular seller has different variants of product, like different prints, different colors. So you can share that using the share now button, which would be shared with images and description without the price to your buyer. You can share it via WhatsApp, email, Facebook groups if you have any, Instagram, however you like it. If you click on the product, say I like this white kurta set, so I click on this. And if you wanted to share the individual product, again all you have to do is press on the share now button, and then once you're done doing that, all you have to do is click on add to cart. You can click on the size that you want to add, then say continue. And once you're done adding the product to your cart, you have to say checkout. Here you have your different payment options, which is online, cash on delivery, Paytm. So I click on cash on delivery and say proceed. So here, if you are a seller, you have to enter the margin. You have to earn a margin, right? So if this kurta set is priced at 785 rupees, I'm going to sell it for 1000. So in that case, you can see you make a margin of 215 and then say done and proceed. But if you are buying this for yourself and you're not a seller, you have to enter the exact price that is mentioned here, that is 785. So your margin is 0 because you're not earning a margin, and it's for yourself, and then say proceed, where you can enter your address and place the order. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is that when you are shopping from different sellers, you have to place the orders individually. It doesn't work as a group order. That's all you have to keep in mind. The rest is very easy. The returns are very easy, simple. And so yeah, let's get started with the first product. So this one is a kurta set, not like a kurta set, but it just doesn't have any pant. It's like a gown set. It has a gown right here and a dupatta, which this dupatta is also really nice. But let me show you guys this gown. So this is a bandage print long anarkali, something that is kind of similar to what Bunai has to offer. That is really pricey. This is like really less than half the price. It's really long. I am a 5'7" and it comes all the way up to my ankle. And I got this one in the size medium, which it is a little bit too loose for me. So because right now, because of the current situation, I didn't really take it to any tailor. I just kept it right just like that until I go to my mom's house, because she can alter it for me. So I just chipped it at the back and showed you guys how it looks, and I really like this. If you taper it to your size, if you're like a medium size, it would look really nice. It would fit really well. The material is really nice. It's cotton. But if you are of my size, which I'm usually extra small, and you get it tapered, it would look really nice. It's not transparent at all. The material is not like flimsy. It is a little bit thick. It's not a see-through material. And this one was priced at 565 rupees, which I found it to be a really good price deal. However, I do have a feeling that this color might fade once I wash it a little bit, because it's a dark blue. I will update you guys in the comment section and pin it if it does like bleed a lot. The next one that you can buy, which is really affordable and very nice, is this kurta set, which I loved. Okay, the minute I saw this, I really liked it. So this was priced at 586 rupees. It's sort of like not your typical blue, but not your green. It's like that teal blue. Not sure what to call it, and the palazzo is so complementing to this. So this set, I got it in a size S, and this retails for 566 rupees. And this kurta goes all the way below my knee, which you guys know by now. It's my favorite. The kurta right now, which I'm wearing as well, goes way below my knee. I love it. It's so comfortable, and this one is pretty comfortable as well, which I really liked. And the palazzo fits really well. It's like a glove. It's not too big. It's not too small, and it sits right up to my ankle. It's not too long as well. But the only thing that I found which I'm not a big fan of, is this pokey work right here, the detailing, and that's there on the sleeve as well. In the neck part, at least, it's not bothering me that much because it's not coming in contact with my skin. But the sleeve, I wish it was avoided. Like, what is the point even? It just folds in and you can't really see it. So apart from that, the set itself, it looks really nice. This doesn't come with a dupatta, but I don't really mind that because I wear my kurta sets usually without the dupatta, and I can manage without that. So yeah. The next two that I got are Anarkali Kurta. So this one is a crepe material, and I'm not a very big fan of this. I don't even feel like it's a crepe material. It just feels like a polyester material. And this is supposed to be a size extra small, okay? But it's so loose for me that I don't know which extra small they're talking about, and I'm not a very big fan of this. It's not comfortable to wear this during summers. I really like the length of this. It comes way below your knee, which is really nice. You can pair this with red leggings and all that, but the material in itself, I'm not a very big fan of. It does make you feel a little bit hot, and the fitting could have been a lot better. So this kurta is priced at 341 rupees, though it's like not that expensive. It still could have been a lot better. And the next kurta that I got is one of my favorites. So this color is so beautiful, and then the contrast sleeve. So this one is in the size small, which is the starting size. I wish they had an extra small in this, but anyhow I can get it altered. But in the demo, I just clipped it in the back. And just love how this color looks. It's a cotton material. It's very comfortable. It's not a see-through material again. It's not very see-through, not very flimsy. It's sort of like that stiff, pretty thick cotton material, which I really like. And the contrast is not cotton. This is like polyester, okay? But other than that, really nice. And that doesn't hinder because it doesn't even touch your body if you're wearing leggings. And the sleeve, it's not that uncomfortable because the inner part of the sleeve is cotton again. I just love this color. They have so many different color selections. They have a pink as well. But this green caught my attention because it just literally looks so nice and bright. And once I get this altered, I can wear this a lot more. I love this one. I paired it with a black legging because that's how I would wear it. And then the last item that I got, which is this earring, this oxidized earring. This was for 175 rupees, and these Chandbalis, they are so beautiful. It is a little bit too big for my face because I couldn't see it online that much, but I still get use out of it. It doesn't feel that cheap as well, and if you had to buy it elsewhere, it is a little bit more pricier, but for this price, I can't really complain. I really liked that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what have you shopped from Meesho lately, and if you can, leave the product code. And also, if you want to shop any of this, I will leave the links in the description box below for you guys to shop easily. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so to notified every time I upload a new video. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.